ating mahal na secretary. May we recognize, yes, Mr. President, let's make all members of the Senate, of course,
Yes.
as co-authors and co-sponsors of this measure. May we recognize
Senator
Senator
Lauren Legarda is recognized.
Hindi po ako nakahanda ng isang seconding speech, pero galing po sa puso ang aking pasasalamat kay Attorney Bantog. Kalo ko po, ako na ang pinakamatagal dito or baka si Senate President, pero ikaw pa ay 1995. So nakita na niya ang hugis ng politika at ng Senado mula pa ng panahong yung ang maaabiso ko sa inyong retirement na hindi ko naman alam kung talagang magre-retire ay siguro isulat nyo lahat ng inside story ng Senado mula nung 1995, lalo na yung kaisa-isang pinakamatagal na rito, higit pa sa'yo, isa lang yan. Yung nakaupo sa taas nyo, nung 1992. Hindi ko po sinasabi na yung ipasa kahapon sa amendments na geriatric law ay para sa nakaupo sa harap nyo o sa ating akong nakatayo dito na 66 today o sa inyong magre-retiro na ayong and all the difficult times in our national life. You've been our guiding post. You've been very dedicated Senate public servant. I know that there's much more that you can share with us as well. Thank you for the leadership that you've done for the more than thousands of Senate officers and staff. In behalf of one of the elders in the Senate mula noong 1998. Maraming salamat po, Attorney Bantog. At nagsisi ako, hindi ako tumatawag o nag-text ng Sabado-Linggo. Kala ko kasi nerd na ako. Mas nerd pa pala si Finance Chair Senator Sherwin. Nahihiya nga ako pag weekend, just a few times I would text or call you or beyond 8 p.m. I did not know he is much worse than me. But babawi po ako, pwede na pala ngayon the next few days man lang, pati weekend magtanong. Thank you very much.
Yes, and just for the record, I made a disclosure yesterday about not benefiting from the geriatric law. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, may we recognize our distinguished colleague, Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
Senator Robin Hood Padilla is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo, at sa ating pinunong mayorya. Ako po ay gusto ko lamang po magpasalamat ng buong puso at kaluluwa kay Secretary Bantog sapagkat sa hindi po kaalaman ng karamihan sa una po nating pagkikita sa opisina po ni Senator Drilon. Ito po yung panahon na inaayos po yung BARM, tungkol po sa BARM. At hindi po ako naharap ni Senator Drilon, pero ako po'y binigyan nyo ng kape, binigyan nyo po ng cookies. Ako po ay kinausap po ninyo. At hindi ko po makakalimutan kasi dahil nagkaroon din po kami ng hidwaan ni Senator Drilon. Pero kayo po yung nagpakita sa akin ng pagiging totoong tao. At nung ako po ay dumating dito, at kayo po yung naupo dyan, natakot po ako. Sabi ko, nako, eto na yata. Wala na yata akong maipapasang batas. Pero sa panahon po ninyo, doon po ako nagkaroon ng napakaraming batas na napumasa. At katunayan po, kayo po ang lagi namin ginagambala ni Attorney Jurado sa mga bagay na hinihingi po namin ng advice. Kaya sa totoo lamang po, ang inyo pong serbisyo ay wala pong halong politika. Kayo po ang serbisyo po ninyo talagang para sa taong bayan. At kami pong lahat, lalo na po ako, ang una-una nyo pong natulungan. Kaya, Secretary Bantog, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko po makakalimutan ang ginawa nyo po sa akin. Maraming salamat. Apo.
Mr. President, may we recognize Senator Jingo Estrada.
Senator Jingo Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, please allow this representation to co-sponsor proposed Senate Resolution number 262, expressing highest commendation and gratitude to Senate Secretary Renato Bantog, Jr., for his unwavering service to the Philippine Senate. Secretary Bantog truly worked his way up through the ranks. For nearly 32 years working in the Senate, he started his career in 1995 as a supervising legislative staff officer the office of former Senate President Franklin Drilon. Over the years, he took on more challenging roles, becoming Legislative Director in 2003, Executive Director for Legislation from 2004 to 2022, and even serving as Acting Senate Legal Counsel in 2010. He later served as Chief of Staff to the Senate President from 2013 to 2016, to the Senate President Pro Tem from 2016 to 2017, and to the Senate Minority Leader from 2017 to 2022. Today, he continues to serve as the Secretary of the Senate in the Philippines, a position he has held since 2022. In a world of shifting politics and leadership change, Secretary Bantug projects a steady and calm but committed presence and leadership. His experience, institutional memory, and technical expertise earned the trust of senators he served in various Congresses. 32 years in the government, particularly in the Senate, is truly a lifetime of service. Kinikilala ng buong Senado, kasama ng mga kawani nito, ang serbisyo mo, Secretary Bantug. Thank you, Secretary R&B, for your dedication and service to the Senate and to our nation. Thank you, Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, we recognize Senator Bam Aquino.
Senator Bam Aquino is recognized.
Yes, Mr. President, di rin po tayo prepared with a written speech pero nais ko lang pong mag-share din tungkol kay Attorney Ray. Pinag-usapan na po ang kanyang professionalism, pinag-usapan na po ang kanyang excellence, pinag-usapan na po ang kanyang kakayanan. Ang isa po sigurong hindi pa napag-uusapan masyado yung kanyang kindness. No? Marami ho dito alam naman na matagal rin po tayong wala sa Senado, 6 na taon. At sa mga panahong yon, kapag may kailangan po dito sa Senado, may kailangan i-clarify, may kailangan pong asikasuhin, si Attorney Ray was there. Kahit wala na po tayo sa Senado sa taong 2019 to 2025, Attorney Ray's kindness was always there for myself and my staff. Kapag meron pong kailangan tulong, hindi po siya nag-aatubili na tumulong. He never hesitated to support all of us. And siguro po, as a testament today, masasabi ko po, Attorney Ray, I wish you all of the best in your new endeavors, in your next endeavors. At makakaasa kayo na yung tulong na binigay niyo po sa amin, ganun din po yung pagmamahal namin sa inyo. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Maraming salamat.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, last but not the least is Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Senator Risa Ontiveros is recognized.
Salamat po, Mr. President. Secretary Bantug is a true professional, one whose dedication and integrity have earned the trust of generations of senators. As the keeper of the Senate's institutional memory, he embodies the continuity of this institution, preserving its traditions while guiding it steadily through moments of change. A master of the Senate rules, he applies them with wisdom, fairness, and quiet authority. Never for advantage, but always in the service of order, deliberation, and the dignity of the Senate. Nung minority senators po kami, nina Senator Frank, Senator Kiko, Senator Bam, at yung iba pa naming mga kasama noon, Sec. Ray helped guide the minority in principled opposition, cognizant of the rules and, at the same time, committed to the highest principles of justice for the country. Through his work, he has strengthened not only our proceedings, but the institution itself. Marami pong salamat sa iyo, Sec. Ray. Hindi ka namin malilimutan.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. With
Yes.
that, Mr.
Majority
President,
Leader.
and all members are made authors and co-authors of this measure, I move that we approve PS Resolution number 262 honoring and expressing our deepest commendations and gratitude to Secretary Renato N. Bantug Jr. for his outstanding work and service to the Senate of the Philippines. I so move.
Any objection? Chair hears none. PS Resolution 262 is approved.
Also for adoption today, we have with us athletes from the ASEAN Para-Olympics, or Para-Games rather, Para-ASEAN Para-Games. So I move that we also consider proposed Senate Resolution number 263, taking consideration PS Resolution number 268 and 273. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of 268 and 273 is in order. The Secretary will read the title of the measure without prejudice into inserting into the records the content of the said resolution.
Resolution congratulating and commending the Philippine delegation to the 13th ASEAN Para Games for achieving the country's best ever medal haul and for bringing honor and pride to the Filipino people.
Majority Leader.
You want to sponsor first? While we're awaiting the principal sponsor, Mr. President, Senator Bongo, may we recognize a co-sponsor?
Yes, of course.
Okay. May I just ask for
sports, thus upholding the true spirit of patriotism, win or lose, pusong Pinoy ang panalo. As your chairperson of the Committee on Sports, rest assured I will continue to pursue sports development programs and initiatives that will promote the welfare of our athletes to help restore our rightful place in the world of sports. At isang paraan rin po na ilayo natin ang mga kabataan sa masasamang bisyo. Get into sports, stay away from drugs to keep us healthy and fit. Before I end, I wish also to convey the intention of Senator